Hi guys, have a cold morning, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan here in Barangay Kahapian. So this place is actually part of the Sogod Dairy Farm. This place is ideal to reconnect with nature and a visit to the farm with its ambience, fresh air is a perfect remedy for a busy mind. Thank you. Enjoy watching.